In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Patreon membership subscriptions. First, open a web browser and go to patreon.com, then sign into your account. Make sure you're using the same login you used when you joined the creators page. If you have more than one login or you've ever continued with a social account, double check you're in the right profile so you see the correct memberships. Once you're in, head to Settings. On desktop, you'll find Settings in the left sidebar or under your profile photo in the corner. On a phone browser, it may be tucked behind your profile menu. This area controls your account preferences, billing details, and of course your memberships. Next, open the Memberships section. This page lists every creator you currently support, along with your tier, price, and renewal information. It's a good place to review what's active before you cancel, especially if you support multiple creators. Find the specific membership you want to cancel and click the three horizontal dots next to it. This icon is the More menu. It reveals actions for that subscription. If you don't immediately see it, scroll horizontally or expand the membership card so the menu appears. From that menu, choose Cancel Membership. Patreon may ask you to confirm the choice or share a quick reason for leaving. Go ahead and confirm. After you cancel, future payments to that creator will stop. In most cases, you keep access to your benefits until the end of your current billing period, and then access ends. Charges are generally not prorated mid-cycle, so it's smart to cancel a little before your next renewal date if you're planning ahead. A few tips as you wrap up. If you back more than one creator, repeat these steps for each membership you want to end. If you expected to see a membership but it isn't listed, make sure you're logged into the correct account. Also, if there are posts or attachments you're allowed to keep, consider bookmarking what you need while you still have access, since benefits end after your current period. Canceling a membership doesn't delete your Patreon account, and you can rejoin the same creator anytime by visiting their page and choosing a tier again. You'll typically get an email receipt confirming the cancellation. And that's it. You've navigated to Patreon, opened settings, reviewed your memberships, used the three-dot menu, and confirmed cancel membership. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control of your Patreon subscriptions with confidence.